Haka jingpen krek ke sorkar jela ban penlong ya katamasa cherry blossom araja arpusan keban long hau benai nai wing nolor kiwi pat ubak polling do menteri bade kemi ya katanat tourism ula pentip baka sorkar jela kala kamai hadu shispa lifeline pon sau ar klur naka jingpe tingka ka ba arpulai pon sun not klur na kitamasa ba pher haki snam baladab Habakran sikilat Fatehi kubor hak no pai Sngi jonga artari gunai lur araja arpusan ubak polling do ulo ong. Bayam mentau snam ke sorkar kalamang sau klur tingka na kebenta ke tamasa cherry blossom bat ban pentip baka jingyo nong nakani ke tamasa haus snam baladap kalong san pukandai pon kandai pra klur tingka na ke jinglot ke san klur tingka. Nolor kata ulo ong ru bagi nong ruai ki bapau kum ke Nora Fatehi, Jason Derulo, nolor ka the script kin pinling o haka Sngi Sdang yakani kata masa Hamadan Polo.
We have the Mega Kayak Festival, October 14 to 18. The 7th hour 4x4 off-road challenge, October 23rd till 25th. The Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival, November 14 till 15. Shillong Lit Fest, November 20th till the 22nd. Megong Festival, November 28 and 29. And Winter Tales, December 11th till 13th. First, let me also update you on Cherry Blossom. I'm joined by our Director of Tourism, Brenda Pakadeng, and Jason Manners, who has been with Roxky, part of the organization, which has partnered with Tourism Department over the past many editions of Cherry Blossom. So this time around, as you are aware, the festival will be held at Shillong at the JN Stadium in order to give visitors to the festival a different feel altogether, where there will be a walk-in facility, and the entire stretch of the road leading to Polo Ground will be pedestrianized throughout the 2 days of the festival. And also we will have various stalls and displays as one walks towards the stadium. So for day one of Cherry Blossom, as you are aware, I had made the announcement that we have Jason Derulo and the script who will be headlining on day one. Apart from that, a very well-known Moroccan-based performer, Nora Fatehi, has also confirmed her participation and performance on day one of Cherry Blossom 2025. She has a huge fan following in India, and her most known stage performance so far has been a performance at the FIFA World Cup held at Qatar in 2022. Cherry Blossom will be her first Indian show. For day two, we are in the negotiation stage with a few artists. We will be sharing information with you in the next 10 days. I'll just mention events held last year where the state government had invested a total amount of 23.50 crores. And the entire return on that investment is 133.42 crores.
This 23 crores is for one festival? Or
No. This covers Megong, Cherry Blossom, Brian Adams, Alan Walker, Ichiran, Winter Tales, and Litfest. Cumulatively, the investment was 23.50 and the ROI was 133.42 crores.
The previous years we have.
Yeah, but not right away. Last Cherry Blossom, the state government had invested to the tune of 5 crore rupees, and out of which This investment of 5 crores yielded us a total economic stimulus of 59.98 crores. So it's
this year,
close.
how much will the settlement cost?
As of now, tentatively our budget is 4 crores as we speak.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.